In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send Ethereum using MetaMask, a process that's crucial for anyone participating in the world of decentralized finance or dealing with crypto assets. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your MetaMask wallet. If you're new to MetaMask, it's a browser extension or mobile app that allows you to interact with the Ethereum blockchain. Once you've got that open, you need to unlock your wallet. This generally involves entering your password and unlocking the interface to access all the functionalities we need. With your wallet unlocked, navigate to the Send button. This is usually a prominent feature on the MetaMask dashboard. Once you've clicked Send, you'll be taken to a screen where you can enter the recipient's address. Here, you'll need the wallet address of the person or entity you want to send Ethereum to. Carefully paste this address into the Send To field. Double-check this address to ensure accuracy, because transactions on the blockchain are irreversible, and mistakes could be costly. Next, you'll need to enter the amount of Ether you want to send. For the sake of this tutorial, let's say you're sending 0.001 ETH. After entering this, go ahead and click Next. This will take you to a screen where you can set your gas fees. The gas fee screen is essential as it determines the priority of your transaction within the Ethereum network. You'll see various options here, including low, market, and aggressive. If you choose low, your transaction will likely be slower but cheaper. The market option is a balanced choice, generally ensuring a quicker transaction at a reasonable cost. On the other hand, if you're in a hurry, select the aggressive option to prioritize your transaction, though at a higher fee. For those of you who like to optimize further, click on the Advanced button. This grants you more control, allowing you to manually set parameters like the gas limit, max priority fee in GWEI, and max fee in GWEI. Adjusting these can be quite beneficial if you are trying to send a transaction during times of high network congestion, or if you have more specific needs for your transactions processing. Once you've made your selections or adjustments, you can click Save to confirm your choices. If you're satisfied with your settings, go ahead and continue to send to finalize the transaction. And that's it. You've successfully sent Ethereum through MetaMask. Always remember to keep track of your transaction through a blockchain explorer to ensure it was completed successfully. Thanks for watching, and be sure to leave any questions or comments below.